Hi everybody, welcome back to my art channel. In this video we're going to sketch some characters together. I'm going to work on a book named Mr. Brown's Fantastic Hat. And today I'm going to make some characters for Mr. Brown, the main character actually in the book. So stay tuned and see how I get inspired from different photos, and also I looked at a lot of different picture books before starting my designs. First, I wanted to show Mr. Brown as a weird animal maybe, or a lion, but I decided to keep Mr. Brown a bear. It seems more beautiful and cute, so I designed some different birds, like a normal bird with a cold or sweet. Actually it's not a normal bird. I know it. And then I decided to make Mr. Brown a wizard. He is someone unusual in this story, so a wizard with a unusual hat could be really nice for Mr. Brown. Thanks for watching my video. There are also some more videos about designing characters in my channel, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. See you.